Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix CapCut template not working. If you're having trouble with your CapCut template not working, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center. Then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Now try logging in into CapCut again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there is an update available for CapCut on your phone on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then search for CapCut and see if there is an update button available for CapCut. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear it. Go ahead and open your settings, then search for app, then click on the options of app and then scroll until you see the option of CapCut. Then scroll down and you'll see the option of storage, and in the bottom right you'll see the option of clear cache, so hit the option of clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app from your phone, then reinstall it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that fixes stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your CapCut account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you in the next one.